nice standard small size civilian aircraft, easily identified at that altitude as not anything out of the ordinary. July 16 at about 7. That's not a helicopter. $400 feet, maybe a little lower. It's headed more or less east, northeast. July 17th, 2012 at about 10 minutes to 11. I'd been putting it away. And then there's some sort of jet. Sounds like it's above cloud level. So he's going more, interestingly, in an easterly southeast direction. Pretty far out, huh?